Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Shukesh once again. For the last few days I have been using this OnePlus 6 and I have uploaded back-to-back videos. This is by far one of the best smartphones I have ever used in terms of performance and stability. I mean, when OnePlus 5T came out, it was full of bugs, but OnePlus 6 is doing really well. Just there are few things that are bothering me. I mean, these are definitely not deal breakers. Considering the price point, I should not really complain, but there are a couple of areas where OnePlus can definitely improve on. Let's start with the camera. OnePlus 6 captures excellent quality images, there is no doubt in that, but when it comes to capturing red or orange color, the true capability of a camera is revealed. If you are a photography enthusiast, you know what I am talking about. OnePlus's camera always struggles with red color, whereas S9 Plus on the left can render true color. In addition to that, if you are indoor, the footage from OnePlus 6's camera under low light condition is not even usable. Of course, the f1.5 maximum aperture of S9 Plus really helps, and in overall video quality and image quality, OnePlus 6 is actually very close to the Samsung flagship, if not better. Check the description below for the OnePlus 6 versus S9 Plus camera review. So let's move on to the next con of OnePlus 6. Unlike OnePlus 5T and most of the Android devices, you cannot swipe down on the fingerprint sensor to pull down your notifications. I don't know why OnePlus omitted this awesome feature from their newest flagship. It was there on the OnePlus 5T. I hope that with OTA updates they will bring it back. Now honestly, I really don't use this feature that much. I just swipe down on the home screen for the notifications. But what is really bothering me is that you cannot show battery percentage on the status bar. It's a dumb move, of course. I want to see how much battery is exactly left on my smartphone. I don't know what the hell OnePlus is thinking. Maybe with OTA updates OnePlus will remove that feature from OnePlus 5T as well. Now I have to rely on the ambient display to check the battery level. In fact, there is nothing new on the OnePlus 6. If you're coming from OnePlus 5T, then this is basically the same device. The functionality of the alert slider has been tweaked. Formerly you had Do Not Disturb on the middle and Silent mode at the top. Now Do Not Disturb is replaced with Vibrate mode. OnePlus did this on user feedbacks, of course. As a OnePlus user since OnePlus 3, this is something I have to get used to. I mean, when I go to sleep or when I am shooting a video, I always turn Do Not Disturb from the slider. It's easier in that way. Now I have to go to the settings menu and set this up from the sound settings. Of course, this is not a con. This is something I will be missing on my OnePlus 6. Well, today I'm talking about the negative aspects of this smartphone, and I know OnePlus fans will be bashing me for that. Be mature. If you don't agree with me, it's totally fine. Comment below and let others know. Just don't say it's a fake video, I am being paid and all. The next point is the loudspeaker on the OnePlus 6 is not as good as most of the flagships. I mean, OnePlus wants to be a flagship killer. Just having the processor is not enough. OnePlus should improve on the hardware as well. It's loud enough for handheld movie watching or YouTube videos, but it's not loud enough for flagship category. Most of the Android devices comes with SD card support, but OnePlus does not have any. Suppose you are on a trip and your smartphone is running out of storage, then having this storage expansion option really helps. Now OnePlus is increasing the price of their devices each and every year. The top model will cost you 45,000 rupees, that is approximately $680, but still it's stuck at Full HD Plus resolution display. If you are into VR, then definitely don't go for OnePlus. Brands like Nokia and others are offering 2K resolution at this price point. You can also buy S8, which is now almost at the same price bracket. When OnePlus was talking about water resistance at the launch event, I was very much excited, but it turns out OnePlus 6 is just water repellent. I mean, it will survive splash or rain, but you cannot submerge this phone into water, go for a swim, take underwater videos, which most of the flagships can do nowadays. Also, I expected OnePlus 6 to have wireless charging capabilities since the back is now glass. Maybe they couldn't manage to get the speed of dash charger, so let's wait for OnePlus 6T. Now, some people are concerned about the glass back since it's easier to break when you drop it. I really don't want to include that in the cons list, but because of the glass, the thickness of the phone increased despite having the same battery as OnePlus 5T. Now you get a case free with the phone, which is nice. Now it's just my personal opinion. The bottom part of the case basically ruins the amazing design of the phone. With OnePlus 5T we got a totally transparent case. Let me show you S9 Plus, which was also provided with the phone, nicely goes with the design. Once again, it's a minor thing I wanted to share with you guys. So we are at the end of this video, and overall, considering the price point, we can totally forgive OnePlus for all these cons. OnePlus 6 is one of the fastest or maybe the fastest Android phone in the world, and the pricing is just 50 or 60% of those so-called flagships. Thanks a lot guys for watching these videos. Thank you so much for your support and love. Once again, if you don't agree with me, comment below and let me know. This is Shukesh signing off. Have a nice day guys.